7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We have a green day in the markets, guys, but this is very deceptive. I'll show you more in this video. We're talking about the sentiments in the market. We'll take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. We'll also be taking a look at the total altcoin market, the total crypto market cap, and we'll be picking over here at Ethereum. We'll be seeing what Ethereum is doing, and we'll giving you update on smooth love portion. We'll be talking about this and more in this video. Let's get down to business. So kicking off today's video, guys, you can see right here we have green day in the market. A lot of these coins are up double digits. That's a good thing, but that's very deceptive. Why? If you go on the weekly, you can see on the weekly right here we just have only few coins that actually are in profit on the weekly. Most of them are in losses. If you go on the monthly, that's for the whole month of February, a lot of them are still in losses. That means we have hit highs already in February, and right now we're probably just retracing now. So that's why I say the daily very trickery. If you just come and check on the daily, you see that, oh yes, we have a green day in the market, but at the same time, if you had bought in the beginning of the week, you're probably still in loss. In the beginning of the month, you're probably still in loss. Let's not forget we had a mad run up before the Super Bowl. I was talking about all the Super Bowl pump. We had it. It just happened that 3 or 4 days before the Super Bowl, the whole market tanks, and the whole Super Bowl adverts for all the cryptocurrency actually aired. And guess what, guys? The market was flat. It didn't dump and it didn't pump. It was very strange. Now, but guys, there's something that been happening in the market. The sentiment in the market has been neutral for a while. Now, we were in extreme fear for a very long time, for about 3 months. But right now, we have, even when the market pumped, when Bitcoin pumped to 45,000, gearing to up to 46,000, we have been in neutral. We never ever entered greed. We have just been in neutral, and up till now, we are still in neutral. That means the bulls and the bears in the market can't decide where we'll be going. Now, at the point of recording of this video, Bitcoin, guys, is currently trading at 43,500. Ethereum is battling that $3,000 region, and BNB over 400. XRP still at 82 cents. We'll see where that will get us to. And Solana ADA is still at over $1. The total crypto market cap is at $1.95 trillion. Remember, that $2 trillion mark is the point where we need to really pass and let go. After we get over 2 trillion, then we expect a higher market. But guys, I'm actually expecting a dip. I just don't believe the market will go up straight in the straight line. We were down for a very long time, for a period of almost 3 months. So at some point in time, it will make sense for us to just come back to the lows one more time to just scare people out. And I think we'll just have to come down one more time. I don't know. It just feels right. Now, there's another argument for us not wanting to come down, right? You can actually argue that we'll probably not visit that 32K region again. I actually think we'll probably just come to like 36K region. For us to come to 36K region from our current location, guys, that's not a lot of dip. That's just a 7% dip. And in crypto, that is very easy. 7% dip will carry us to 40,000. A 10%, a 16% dip will carry us to 6,000, and we can actually have a 16% dip in 3 days. Now, this is the Bitcoin price chart, and this is Bitcoin from July up to February 2022, July 2021. You can currently see right here we had a very strange run. Many people didn't believe this rally. I was always calling the disbelief rally. Many people didn't believe it. Bitcoin rose 17%. People still felt, oh, it's going to go lower. Bitcoin rose 27% till Bitcoin got as high as 37%. People started calling for 100K, outrageous amount, 72K, yada. And I was giving that warning on this channel. I was telling you guys, you don't want to be buying green candles. You want to be buying the red candles. You want to buy when people are scared. And right now, I don't think people are scared. The market is neutral. Now, even in this tiny pump we had here, I'm expecting a retracement before we dump. I'm always a big fan of the market will retrace and to convince you that, oh, the bull run is not over, oh, the pump is not over. So to suck people in, a lot of people will get sucked into the market, and boom, the crash will start happening. So now this tiny crash we've had here now, I expect Bitcoin can even go as high as 44,495, and still will still experience downward action. That's just to fake people out. Guess what? If Bitcoin gets to that 44,495, people would think like there's no way Bitcoin is going to just go. It must actually go and break that 46,000, which is why I feel people will get wrecked. And think about it, if you're a bear and you're believing the price will go down, when you're seeing Bitcoin going up, you start getting scared, and the bulls will start getting confident. And when we have an imbalance like that, boom, I actually believe will crash. But anytime you see that people are scared and nobody wants it, everybody believes it's going to zero, that is the time to buy. And guys, another reason why I believe the market is not really pumping, I'm showing you the Bitcoin price chart right now because Bitcoin actually controls the market. So anything that's happening to Bitcoin just directly affects the whole market. Another reason I believe Bitcoin is not pumping right now is that there's tension in the world. You have been hearing rumors of Russia invading Ukraine. The US are trying to dip their hands into it, NATO and all those stuffs. And those stuffs are actually affecting the market. The market is undecided. Where will this go? If there's a war happening, I would expect the market will actually tank in it. If the war is not happening, the market might actually pump. So there's that indecisiveness minus the bulls and the bears. You can see that the sentiment is showing us that the bulls and the bears can't decide where we'll go. Are we going up? Are we going down? We're just in neutral right now. We're just staying exactly where we are. So we'll be seeing where Bitcoin will be going. But for me, I'll actually think that Bitcoin will come back to this 36,000 region just to scare people one more time before we actually pump and do our full retracement. Now let's take a look at the altcoin market. The altcoin market, guys, our long-time view for the altcoin market is I'm expecting the altcoin market to set a new all-time high at over $2 trillion. You can see right here, when we actually peaked at May, the altcoin market set a new all-time high. When we dipped, came back to September, it came and it touched the previous all-time high. And when Bitcoin set a new all-time high, guess what? The altcoin market actually set a new all-time high. So now I'm expecting when Bitcoin is coming from its retracement, that's when Bitcoin is coming to finally deceive people that to think we are going to the moon before we finally dump. I'm expecting the altcoin market to actually set a new all-time high, and that's when I'll actually be exiting this market, or I'll be heavily de-risking. I'll sell a lot of my coins at this point in time, because guys, I believe these Fibonacci extension tools actually have great impacts on the market. You can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum got exactly to the top of their Fibonacci extension tool, and boom, they had a hard rejection from it. The total crypto market cap, I'll be expecting it to set a new all-time high, but I will not be expecting Bitcoin to set a new all-time high. So if the total crypto market cap is setting a new all-time high and Bitcoin, the main driver in the market, is not going to set a new all-time high, Ethereum, the second main driver in the market, is not going to set a new all-time high, that means we expect other coins that have been lagging, the laggers in the market, to actually push the total crypto market cap to that new all-time high of over $3 trillion. Remember, we're battling this $2 trillion region. If you can battle $2 trillion, that's a 50% increase to $3 trillion, and that's very possible, guys. This is crypto. Everything is possible. Now let's check the total market cap minus Ethereum. That's all the market cap of all of crypto minus Ethereum. You can see that it's almost showing us the same chart as Bitcoin, which is very, very funny. I'll be expecting this chart too to set a new all-time high. You can see right here, before Bitcoin crashed, it got to as high as $2.3 trillion, and right now we're just at $1.5 trillion. The whole market is just in disarray right now. People don't know whether to long, whether to short. If you ask for my humble opinion, guys, I'll tell you it's just better stay in stables. If you have not gotten into the market, just hold your stable coins. If you're in the market, there's nothing to fear. You're in for the long run in it. Now Ethereum too has been battling this 3,000 region. Ethereum actually got as high as $3,200, then it got as low as $2,800. But you can see right now the market is actually crappy. If you put it on a 4-hour chart, you see that, like, are we going up, are we coming down? Nobody can really see right now. We dumped on the 20th of January, we dumped to 2,100, and right now we're back to where we were just on the 22nd of January. We're exactly where we are, 22nd, 21st of January. So it's as if we made no progress. Now we made a whole lot of progress, because from this dump to this pump, this was like a 48% pump. But if you look at it in the grand scheme of things, we are actually where we are on the 22nd of January, on the 11th of January 2022, when people were still in extreme fear. So technically, the price did not just move, just people's sentiment that changed from extreme fear. Now people are neutral on the market, they don't know what's going to happen. And smooth love portion, you can see right here, I was telling you, expecting it to top right here for reasons best known to me. I showed you Fibonacci extension tool and why I was expecting it to top right there, and it exactly did what I was expecting it to do. And right now I'm expecting it to go back down. It should go back down for reaccumulation. We have seen that, oh, that means it can actually pump. I used the last pump before the XLP actually capitulated. That's the pump I used to calculate this, and it got to 702 retracement. I told these Fibonacci extension tools are actually crazy the way they work. I'm expecting SLP to come down to maybe this region, maybe at $0.014 region. Get there, reaccumulate. I'll actually get more SLP at that price point before we actually start going to the moon. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Follow me on social media on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys next time. Bye.